Picture a traditional car factory, a noisy hell of welding sparks, thousands of workers, and hundreds of scattered parts that, over 8 to 10 hours, become a car. Now, erase that image from your mind and picture a robotic symphony, a giant machine that builds other machines, and every 40 seconds, a brand new car rolls off the line. This is the incredible story of the Tesla Gigafactory, a factory that rewrote the rules of mass production forever. But how did Tesla make the impossible possible? The secret to this insane speed is hidden in 3 revolutionary innovations that we will reveal today. For decades, the basic structure of car factories hadn't changed much. A car's body was made of hundreds of small metal parts that had to be welded together like a giant puzzle by thousands of robots and workers. This process was incredibly complex, time-consuming, and expensive. The major automakers were drowning in this complexity, and it seemed there was no way to make it faster, until Elon Musk decided to see the factory not as a building, but as a product itself. This is the Tesla Gigafactory, a multi-billion-dollar giant that looks more like a spaceship than a factory. Tesla's goal was simple: eliminate complexity. Instead of asking, how can we weld the parts together faster, they asked, how can we eliminate the parts entirely? The answer to that question led to 3 revolutionary innovations, which are the pillars of Tesla's speed. The first secret is a metal monster. Meet the GigaPress, a 9,000-ton casting machine the size of a small building that shapes molten aluminum with 2,400 tons of pressure. While a normal car needed 70 different parts for its rear chassis, the GigaPress eliminates all 70 and turns them into one single piece. This means reducing 70 welding steps to just 1. This innovation alone removed over 300 robots from the assembly line, cut costs by 40%, and drastically reduced production time. This isn't just a machine, it's a revolution in casting. The second secret redefines the heart of an electric car: the battery. In other cars, the battery pack is a heavy weight that's bolted onto the floor. But Tesla's engineers asked, why shouldn't the battery itself be part of the car's structure and chassis? This idea was called the structural battery pack. The battery cells are integrated directly into the floor of the car, forming part of its very skeleton. This eliminated hundreds of other parts, reduced the car's weight, and dramatically increased its rigidity. Imagine if the skeleton of a building was also its power source. That's what Tesla did with its cars. And the final secret? The robot army. Over 2,000 robots in each Gigafactory work like a coordinated orchestra without stopping. Giant KUKA robots move the car bodies, precision arms weld the parts, and a fleet of autonomous guided vehicles, AGVs, deliver parts to the right spot at the exact right moment. The entire factory is managed by a central nervous system that optimizes the workflow. Nothing stops. No movement is wasted. It's a flawless industrial dance, producing cars at a superhuman speed. So, the secret to Tesla's speed isn't just one thing. It's the combination of 3 big ideas: eliminating parts with the GigaPress, unifying the chassis and battery with the structural pack, and the flawless coordination of a robotic army. Tesla didn't just build a new car, they created an entirely new way of building. The question is this the future for all factories worldwide? Can the competition ever catch up? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed seeing the power of technology and mega machines, subscribe to BlockRide because there are even bigger marvels on the way. Thanks for watching.